Are organs that are part of the respiratory system. They allow your body to take in oxygen from the air. They also help remove carbon dioxide from the body. The entire respiratory system works together to breathe air in and out of the lungs. This includes the nose, mouth, larynx, trachea, and the bronchial tubes within the lungs. Air enters the lungs when we breathe in because the lungs expand. The lungs expand when nearby muscles contract to make the chest cavity larger. These muscles include the dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm and the muscles of the rib cage. As the muscles contract and the lungs expand, air is sucked through the nose and mouth. This is known as inhalation. Your nose filters, wets, and warms the air before it passes through the larynx, trachea, and the bronchial tubes within the lungs. At the same time, the heart pumps blood, rich in carbon dioxide and low in oxygen, to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries. The pulmonary arteries end in a mesh of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. This mesh surrounds the round air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli are like bunches of grapes at the end of the bronchial tubes. When you inhale, air flows down the bronchial tubes and into the alveoli. This inhaled air is oxygen-rich. Gas exchange occurs between the air in the alveoli and the red blood cells located in the blood in the capillaries. During gas exchange, oxygen from the air in the alveoli passes into the red blood cells in the capillaries. The blood becomes oxygen-rich. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product carried in the blood and red blood cells, moves into the alveoli. The air, rich in carbon dioxide, flows out of the alveoli and bronchial tubes toward the nose and mouth. This is known as exhalation. Meanwhile, the oxygen-rich blood flows back to the heart through the pulmonary veins. The heart then pumps the blood to the rest of the body. Exhalation occurs when your diaphragm and rib cage muscles relax to make the chest cavity smaller. Air rich in carbon dioxide is forced out of the lungs and through the nose and mouth. The lungs are now prepared for another breathing cycle.